Most business owners are obsessed with finding new customers, but they're completely ignoring the gold mine sitting right in front of them. Today I'm going to show you how to turn one customer into 10 using a simple system that most entrepreneurs never even think about. But here's what's really crazy. The strategy costs you almost nothing to implement, and it can literally 10x your revenue in the next 90 days. I'm going to give you the exact framework that's generated millions in referral business. Hi, I'm Mauricio Paz, and if you're ready to stop chasing customers and start having them chase you, let's get started. Here's the brutal truth. Most business owners are stuck in the customer acquisition trap. They're spending thousands on ads, cold calling, networking events, trying to find new customers while completely ignoring the customers they already have. You're burning cash on Facebook ads that barely convert. You're grinding through cold calls that go nowhere. You're attending networking events where everyone's trying to sell and nobody's buying. Sound familiar? Meanwhile, your existing customers, the people who you already know, like, and trust you, are sitting there with networks full of people just like them. But you're not asking, you're not systemizing, you're leaving money on the table every single day. Listen up. Your existing customers are your biggest untapped revenue source. Think about it. They've already bought from you. They've experienced your value. They trust your product or service. They have friends, family, colleagues, and connections who have the same problems you solve. But here's what most business owners get wrong. They think referrals just happen naturally. They think if they do good work, people will automatically refer them. Wrong. You're dead wrong. Referrals are a system, not an accident. You have to build it, optimize it, and execute it relentlessly. When you do, one customer doesn't just become 10, they become a lifetime revenue stream. Here's my proven system for turning one customer into 10. I call it the referral multiplication system. It has 4 core components. Component 1, the experience foundation. First, you have to deliver an experience so good that people can't help but talk about it. This isn't about meeting expectations, it's about exceeding them in ways that create stories. When someone works with you, they should walk away thinking, I've never experienced anything like that. They should be excited to tell people what just happened. That's the foundation everything else is built on. Component 2, the strategic ask. Most people never get referrals because they never ask for them. And when they do ask, they ask wrong. They say things like, if you know anyone who might need this, let me know. That's weak, that's passive, that's forgettable. Here's how to ask. John, you've experienced the results we deliver. You know how this has transformed your business. Who are the 3 people in your network who are dealing with the same challenges you had before we started working together? Be specific, be direct, be confident. You've earned the right to ask because you've delivered the value. Component 3, the incentive structure. People need motivation to take action. Even your happiest customers are busy. They're not thinking about your business 24/7. You need to give them a reason to prioritize referring you. Create an incentive structure that rewards both the referrer and the referred. Maybe it's a percentage of the first sale, maybe it's a service credit, maybe it's cash. Whatever it is, make it meaningful enough that people actually take action. Component 4, the follow-up system. This is where most people fail. They ask for the referrals once, then they forget about it. You need a systematic follow-up process that keeps referrals top of mind without being annoying. Monthly check-ins, quarter referral campaigns, annual appreciation events. You need touch points that remind people you exist and that you're still looking for great customers like them. Here's what most business owners don't understand. People don't refer because they want to help you. They refer because they want to help their friends and look good doing it. When someone refers you, they're putting their reputation on the line. They're saying, I trust this person with someone I care about. That's a big deal. You need to honor that trust and make them look like a hero for making the introduction. Having the right mindset includes a couple of simple things. Have gratitude, surround yourself with positive people, set clear goals that keep you grounded and focused. Apply that same mindset to referrals. Be grateful for every referral, treat referred customers like gold, set clear goals for how many referrals you want, and track them relentlessly. If you don't believe in your product or service enough to confidently ask for referrals, why should anyone else believe in it enough to refer you? Recently, I posted something about confidence. Most of us struggle with it. More specifically, it's fear. If you let go of that fear and step into the person you want to become, walk into a room like you own it, that confidence will resonate with people around you. The same applies to asking for referrals. You need to walk into that conversation like you own it, not with arrogance, but with confidence. You've delivered value. You've earned the right to ask. You deserve great customers. Act like it. Here's where this gets powerful. When you turn one customer into 10 through referrals, those 10 can each refer 10 more. That's 100 customers from your original one. And those hundreds can refer you 10 more. That's 1,000 customers. This isn't addition, this is multiplication, this is exponential growth. This is how you build a business that grows faster than you can handle, with customers who are pre-sold and pre-qualified. Here's your 90-day plan to implement the referral multiplication system. Days 1 to 30, foundation building. Ask your current customer experience, identify moments you can exceed expectations. Create your referral ask script. Design your incentive structure. Days 31 to 60, system implementation. Start asking every customer for referrals. Implement your follow-up system. Track every referral request and result. Optimize what's working. Days 61 to 90, the multiplication and scaling. Launch referral campaigns to your customer base. Host referral appreciation events. Automate your process. Scale that works. And here's what happens when you master the system. Your customer acquisition costs drop to almost zero. Your close rates skyrocket because referred customers are pre-sold. Your customer quality improves because great customers refer great customers. But most importantly, you build a business that grows through relationships, not transactions. You create a network of advocates who are actively growing your business. Listen up. You weren't born to chase customers, you were born to attract them. But building a referral machine isn't something you can do alone. You need the right frameworks, the right accountability, and the right community. That's why I created Scaling with Mo, my exclusive school community where entrepreneurs master customer multiplication. Inside, you'll get access to my full referral multiplication system, the exact scripts, templates, and processes that generated millions in referral revenue. You'll get weekly live coaching calls and a community of high performers who hold you accountable to actually asking for referrals. This isn't just another group. This is where business owners learn to turn customers into multipliers. If you're serious about multiplying your customer base, if you're ready to build a referral machine that runs on autopilot, you need to be in this community. The link's in the description below. Join Scaling with Mo today, and let's turn one customer into 10, then 10 into 100. Remember, we don't make excuses, we train. And if you're not training, you're not complaining. That's your choice. Stop chasing customers, start multiplying them. Let's get it, let's fucking go.